Hello children, hope all of us are doing good. Now the topic that we will study today is personal pronouns. Think. Read the following lines and underline the pronouns. आप इन lines को read करें और इनमें से जो pronouns हैं उनको underline करें. Sujata is a nice girl. She is the head girl of the school. She is admired by all the teachers. They select her for every debate competition. All the children love her because of her friendly behavior. She must be proud of herself. अब इसमें अगर मैं देखूं तो she हमारा एक pronoun है, उसे underline करें. इसी तरह से आप बाकी के pronouns को ढूंढ कर उन्हें underline करें. Let's do this. Replace the underlined nouns with suitable pronouns. ये जो sentences दिए गए हैं इनमें कुछ nouns को underline किया गया है. आप उनकी जगह पे suitable pronouns लिखें. For example, Mary often reads until late at night. अब यहाँ पे underlined है Mary, इसकी जगह पे मैं कौन सा pronoun use कर सकती हूँ? She. So she often reads until late at night. इसी तरह से आप बाकी sentences में भी noun के जगह suitable pronouns लिखें. Now let's read personal pronoun. Pronouns which are used in place of names of persons or things are called personal pronouns. जब चीज़ों या लोगों के नाम की जगह पे हम pronoun use करते हैं तो उनको हम personal pronoun कहते हैं. Personal pronouns may be used as a subject in a sentence. They are called subject pronouns. तो अगर ये personal pronoun sentence में subject की जगह पे use हो रहे हैं तो उन्हें हम subject pronouns भी कहते हैं. For example, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. For example, इसका अगर हम बनाएं कोई sentence तो he works at a bank. Now personal pronouns may be used as an object in a sentence. They are called object pronouns. तो अगर हम personal pronoun को किसी sentence में object की जगह पे use करते हैं तो उन्हें object pronouns भी कहते हैं. For example, him, her, it, me, us, you, them. अब इसका sentence का example अगर हम देखें तो she told them the truth. Now pronouns are divided into three persons. The first person is the speaker. जो बोल रहा है वो first person होता है. Example, I, me, mine, we, us, ours. अब sentence में example देखें तो we are happy. The second person is the person spoken to. जिसको कुछ कहा जाता है वो second person होता है. For example, you and yours. Sentence में अगर हम इसका example देखें तो students, you are now ready for the exams. Then the third person is the person or thing about whom or which we are talking. हम जिस इंसान या चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं वो third person होता है. Examples क्या हैं इसके? He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs. तो sentence में example अगर देखें तो they live in Kolkata. Now let us look at the possessive pronouns. Now pronouns that show possession or ownership are called possessive pronouns. जो pronouns ownership या possession को show करते हैं उन्हें possessive pronouns कहा जाता है. For example, this dog is theirs. तो हम अब इस टेबल में देखेंगे कि फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन के अकॉर्डिंगली हमारे सब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव और पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस कौन से होते हैं सिंगुलर और प्लूरल में. सो लेट्स रीड दिस. फॉर फर्स्ट पर्सन सब्जेक्टिव personal pronouns for singular and plural are I and we. For objective they are me and us, and for possessive they are my, our, mine, ours. Then for second person we have you for the subjective, you for the objective, your and yours for the possessive. Then for the third person, for subjective we have I, she, it in singular, they in plural. Then for objective we have him, her, it in singular and them in plural. Similarly, his, hers, its in singular and their or theirs in plural. Now tell. every student will give one example of possessive pronoun. तो हर student एक example देगा possessive pronoun का. Let's write. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. तो ये जो आपको sentences दिए गए हैं, इन sentences में blanks हैं, इन blanks में आप suitable pronoun fill करेंगे. The first one is Rohit and Amit are brothers. I know them very well. इसी तरह से बाकी के blanks को भी आप fill करें. Then choose the correct possessive pronoun. This car is. अब हमें choice क्या दी गई है? My और mine. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या fill करेंगे? Mine. This car is mine. इसी तरह से बाकी के blanks में भी आप appropriate possessive pronoun fill करें. Let's enjoy. Make sentences using subject and object pronouns. Subject और object pronouns को use करके आप sentences बनाएं. For example, we enjoyed hearing her sing. यहाँ पे हमारा subject pronoun क्या है? We. और object pronoun क्या है? her. इसी तरह से आप sentences बनाएं. So I hope that this chapter is clear to all, and answering questions based on this chapter will now be easy.